Hi, Dar here with Old Ash Artisans. Having a little wine today because what goes good with wine? Tacos. We're showing you how to use the taco stand die. Before installing the die, we're going to look to see the rough side and the smooth side. Install it smooth side up for easy cleanup. This is another great production die because just one simple extrusion and a little cleanup and you've got your taco stand. If you can extrude and hold the bottom all at the same time, that'll prevent it from misshaping at the bottom. I'm just going to kind of cut that bottom piece away. Okay, well there's a section where we put our clay together that's not going to work out, but that's okay, we can cut around it. Extrude as much or as little as you like. This is heavy, you'll want to set it down. Okay, we cleaned up the edges a little bit from the extrusion. Our clay had been in there a little while. So just a wet sponge cleans that up. We're figuring a taco is about average 6 inches. So however long your taco is, just gonna mark couple of marks there. We've got ours up on foam because it's easier for us to use the cheese cutter. If you find an easier way to cut, please let us know. You can use a fancy embellished edge, or you could use a straight edge. I'll cut from this end so you can see a little bit better. Oh, let's use the fancy edge over here. Eyeball it or measure it to make sure it's perfectly straight. This is a heavy extrusion. That center piece is very thick, as you can see right there. And I'm going to take that little design off the very edge so I can have one straight one. And I just need to make this side a little straighter. Excellent production die. Knock out a few hundred of these in your spare time. It holds 2 tacos. One here and one here, hard tacos. I'm going to clean up my edges now. Add any embellishments you like. We were inspired by the Texas bugs because there are always bugs on our tacos when we're outside eating tacos and drinking wine. So we put a couple of bugs on there. There's our finished product. Be sure and like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, thanks for watching.